It's me, Maddie, back in the project lab, and even though we don't get much snow down here in the south, I wanted to recreate the smells of the season with some sparkling sugar scrub snowflakes. So with only a few simple ingredients needed, they're easy to make and even easier to market. So let me show you guys how to make it. Solid sugar scrubs are made up of melt and pour soap base like this shea butter base that I have here. So go ahead and place it in a heat safe mixed container, and then we're going to add some refined coconut oil and avocado oil. So these will add some moisture to pair well with the exfoliation of the sugar. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump all these in and then pop this into our double boiler and let everything melt down. So now that all of that is melted down, we can go ahead and continue with our next steps. So to increase the shelf life of these scrubs, we're going to add in some vitamin E oil for its antioxidant powers, as well as an oil-soluble preservative like Phenol, which I have right here. Alright, so now that that is added in, we can go ahead and go in with my favorite part, which is adding in our fragrance. So our winter solstice scent is perfect for any snow-themed projects with notes of cedar, citrus, and patchouli. So I already have it measured out for a 3% concentration, so all I have to do is just pour it in. Of course, for this next step is completely optional, but if you know me, you know I like to do a little bit extra. You know, I like to be extra. Anyways, so I have this beautiful blue mica powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a teaspoon of that. And then we're also gonna do a teaspoon of this eco glitter as well. So by now, your mixture should already be cooling down so we can add in our granulated sugar. So if your mixture is too hot, it can melt the sugar, reducing the exfoliation of the scrub. So make sure you've given it a little bit of time to cool down, but still remain in liquid form. So I'm just gonna fold it in with my spatula here until you have somewhat of a thick and pasty mixture. So while it's still somewhat liquid, we're going to go ahead and press our mixture into our mold. Make sure you have some gloves on. So mine that I chose today are snowflakes. I felt like it was perfect for our winter theme. Now, if your mixture is too thick to press into the mold, just pop into the microwave for just a few seconds, stir again, and then you should be good to go. Now, all that's left to do is let them cool. It should only take an hour or so, and once they're solid, you can gently wiggle them out. I love how unique these look, just like real snowflakes. Solid sugar scrubs can be packaged in a clear cosmetic jar or baggie like I have here to show them off. And you can finish them up with a custom label for your brand, and yeah, they're done. It's really easy to customize these with your own scent, colors, and shapes. We just think our combination of the snowflake shape, frosty blue color, and the icy fragrance makes them pair great for this holiday season. So please let me know if you'd like to add these to your product line and tell me what I should make next in the AFI Project Lab. Don't forget, we have tons of winter fragrances that you can easily filter through using our web store, so be sure to check them out before the season ends. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video real soon, so this is just a bye for now.